How a college dropout turned $1,200 into a multi-billion-dollar tech empire, the untold story of Apple. Picture this, you are sitting in a rusted suburban garage in 1976, staring at a pile of loose circuit boards, wheels, and wooden parts with empty pockets and no formal manufacturing plant. You have just pitched your primitive keyboard attached computer prototype to corporate giants and tech executives, and every single one of them has logged you out of the room, calling your machine a useless toy for hobbyists. Most people allow pack up their tools and accept a safe engineering job. But Steve Jobs, he saw a personal revolution that allowed change how humanity interacts with technology forever. Back in the early days, Steve Jobs was a college dropout who had wandered through India seeking spiritual enlightenment before returning to California. His close friend Steve Wozniak, a brilliant self-taught engineer, had managed to build a circuit board that could display text on a television screen. While Wozniak just wanted to share the design for free with fellow electronics hobbyists, Jobs possessed a fierce, uncompromising vision to take computing out of corporate laboratories and government office and put it directly into the hands of everyday people. To fund production, Jobs sold his Volkswagen minibus and Wozniak sold his HP scientific calculator, scrapping together a meager $1,200. They assembled the Apple I circuit boards by hand inside Jobs' family garage. When they pitched it to local computer stores, retail buyers were instantly skeptical. Everything changed when local store owner named Paul Terrell ordered 50 fully assembled units, forcing Jobs and Wozniak to scale up overnight by borrowing components and working frantically day and night. Instead of stopping at hobbyists, Jobs pushed Wozniak to design the Apple II, the world's first personal computer encased in clean plastic with color graphics. But marketing a machine to people who had never touched a computer was an uphill battle. To break through the noise, Jobs hired a veteran marketing executive and launched a slick, emotional television commercials, transforming a cold piece of machinery into a aesthetic object of individual expression. Despite internal corporate betrayals, a devastating ouster from his own company in 1985 and years of near bankruptcy, Jobs returned in 1997 to rescue Apple. By introducing iconic, design-obsessed products like the iMac, iPod, iPhone, and iPad, he turned a garage startup into the most valuable technology company on the planet. The lesson is simple: true innovation requires relentless vision and a refusal to accept the status quo. If you believe your product can change the world, ignore the skeptics, obsess over every tiny detail, and design an experience that people cannot live without. Don't forget to subscribe to Business Story Global for more incredible global business secrets and startup stories. Hit that subscribe button right now.